Alright guys, I'm out here with the Zino again. Give it another Zino try. Oh god, it's all wet and soggy as usual. You know, I gotta realize it's still winter. Okay, you know, I'm trying to get out of here and fly these damn quadcopters, but you know, basically it's still winter. Let's start some video. Yay. Let's take off. That's the first time I think I did the automatic takeoff. Wind's kicking up a little bit. Seems to be performing well, man. Got no gripes. It's flying nice, man. Holding steady. Yeah, I got no gripes. Yeah, it stays really steady. I'm happy with it, man. I'm real happy with it. Wind's kicking up a little bit. It doesn't seem to bother it that much. Blows it around a little bit, but yeah. Yeah, seems good, guys. I'm happy with it so far. I'm happy with it so far. I think the next time I come out, I'm gonna do those. You see how it does that when I go forward like that and let off? Watch. See that? That's what I don't like. Okay? Right there. That's what I don't like. But it is what it is. So, nothing I can do about it. I ain't gonna worry about it. 40% battery. That's still okay. Yeah, 18 satellites now. Yeah, it picks up the satellites pretty good. I don't got no issue with that. Okay, I think the next time I come out, I'm gonna go into some of these flight modes. All right, I'm gonna kill the video now. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. I like how it comes up automatic landing after you already landed it. Okay, so that's one thing it does, kind of weird, so oh well, what are you gonna do? All right guys, thanks. I'll talk to you later.